Hey everyone, welcome to Divine Byte. I'm Ash and I really appreciate all your likes and support. It means the world. Today we are checking out the Canon TS7750 all-in-one printer, copier and scanner for your home setup. We will do unboxing, specs, verifications, wireless printing, test and check its performance on a budget. It's less than £100. All specs would be in the description, so do not forget to check that out. If you enjoy the video, smash that like button, share it, and hit subscribe for much tech reviews. Let's start getting unbox this printer, and I see your feedbacks in the comment section. Meanwhile, take care of yourself and have a great day.